Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you and your team can build higher quality software faster with Dashcam. If you build software, you're probably familiar with how difficult it can be to reproduce issues. This leads to a bunch of wasted time going back and forth trying to add context to resolve the problem. With a Dashcam, you can capture the steps to reproduce every bug as it happens, and supply the dev team with everything they'll need to resolve issues quickly. Let me show you how. Let's imagine you're part of the team working on a game called 2048, but there's a problem. It keeps randomly crashing and you don't know why. Luckily, you have Dashcam installed. It lives in the tray bar and records your screen just like a car dashcam. You don't need to try to reproduce the problem or even remember the steps you took. Dashcam already has footage you can share. Video is recorded locally first in a loop, and you can choose which screen to record and how long video should be stored. Now it's time to share this with your team, but first, you can trim and crop the recording to hide any sensitive information. When you're ready, you can upload the clip to your shared team workspace and share it with the dev team. Now your team will have everything they need to fix bugs quickly. Now to automate this for your entire team, you can embed the Dashcam SDK and prompt the user to make clips when there are errors. Now, uploads will include logs, crash reports, and system specs. Finally, you can configure automations to create new Jira tickets when clips are uploaded. Now, you've streamlined your entire bug reporting process. Don't miss your next bug. Download Dashcam for free today for Mac and Windows.